Hello everyone, I'm Hema Sati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter Light for class 7. We have already discussed what is light, how it propagates, what is reflection, how are the images formed by plane mirror, what are the characteristics of the images, uses of mirrors, then concave, convex lens and concave lens also. So in today's lecture we are uh, going to discuss dispersion of white light. So when white light is passed through a glass prism, that white light split into its spectrum of colors, which is Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And this process of white light splitting into its constituent color is termed as dispersion. So in from our previous lectures we have discussed that when the light rays they move away from each other, so that is called dispersion or diversion. So here what is happening, I have told you, whenever light passes through a medium, it refracts or it bends or its speeds changes. So when the white light changes the medium, or when it is passing through another medium or the medium is changing, then refraction occurs, and that refraction is responsible for the splitting of white light into spectrum of colors. Now, the simplest way to explain the dispersion through dispersion in the prism. So here you can see this is a glass prism, and this is how, if the white light was in the same medium, it should have traveled. It would have traveled in a straight line. But now, since it is passing through the medium is changed. So now this white light will refract or it will bend. Now again, because the medium has been changed, now the white light, which contains 7 colors, they are moving with the same speed in the white light. But now, since the medium has been changed, now these color will travel with different speed. So red color will travel fastest, so there will be least bending and the wavelength will be largest, whereas the violet color will travel with the slowest speed out of all 7 colors. So it will bend the more, and then wavelength will be shorter. So how this light is refracted through a glass prism? When a light travels from one medium to another, it tend to bend. Okay, so this bending is called refracting. This I have told you many times. And the speed of its propagation also changes. So light, if it is traveling in air, there is some speed, and when it travels through the another medium, the speed changes. So now when the light passes through the prism, it is refracted towards the base of the triangle. So when the light passes through the prism, it refract or it bend towards the base. It is bending towards the base. So the different colors in the spectrum of light have different wavelength. And when different colors were in white light, they travel with the same wavelength. But as soon as they change the medium, the speed will change. So since they have different wavelength, so the speed with which they will all bend will be varying upon its speed or wavelength. So where violet bends the most because it has shortest wavelength or its shortest speed, red bends the least. Therefore, because it is having longest wavelength. Because of this dispersion of white light, we can see the spectrum of colors through the prism. Now we will discuss Newton's disk. So what is Newton disk? So Newton disk was invented by Isaac Newton, and it is a disk. It is a circular disk with the 7 segments of rainbow color. So when we rotate this disk, the color fade and it looks like white. So we can say that white light is made a combination of 7 different colors which are found in rainbow. You can make a disc for yourself. You can take a cardboard, paint it into rainbow colors, and when you rotate it, you will see that it is white light. Now what is rainbow? So rainbow is, again, it is because of the refraction of the light. Since I have told you, refraction occurs whenever the medium changes. So rainbow is generally seen whenever there is rain. So rain contains water droplets. So after rain, the water droplets are present in the atmosphere. So when the light strikes these water droplets, what happens? Refraction occurs, and the bending of 7 colors start. And that is how we can see the rainbow after after the rain whenever sun comes. So sunlight strikes the droplet or water droplet in the air, and because of the change of the medium, light refracts and we can see the 7 colors. So the spectrum of light can be seen in the following. Rainbow, we have seen soap bubbles. If you play with soap bubbles, you must have observed 7 colors through those soap bubbles. Surface of a CD, prism, even your measuring scale, which is made up of plastic. So this conclude our chapter light for class 7. Hope you have understood this chapter well. Thank you so much.